When Google Lens was first announced a year ago, many pointed out its similarities to the long-abandoned Google Goggles app. Both were designed to identify objects in pictures, but Lens is far smarter thanks to a healthy dose of machine learning. Google Goggles just received its first update since 2014, which replaces the entire app with the Hello, Google Lens message. It asks users to install the new standalone Lens app, and that's it. It seems strange that Google would direct users to install Lens. There can't be very many people left with this app installed. Also, Lens only works with a dozen or so devices at the moment, none of which are phones from 2014. If you'd still like to try out goggles, you can grab the previous version from APKMirror. Enjoy the Holo UI.